If you like our video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on our new video. Don't forget to share our video too.
Hello friends, today we'll talk about the equations of a circle. Okay, now this concept generally occurs in your junior colleges, that is first year college, junior college. So let's describe the various equations of a circle. But the very first one is the equation of a standard circle. Now what exactly is a standard circle? Now if you draw the circle and if its center lies at the origin, remember, the circle with center at the origin is termed as the standard circle. And the equation of a standard circle is given by x square plus y square equal to r square. Now r denotes the radius. Okay, so that's the equation of a standard circle. Now the next comes the center radius form. Now suppose the center, here in this case it was at the origin. Now suppose the center shifts to h comma k. Okay, so P is the center with coordinates hk and R is the radius. Now in such a situation, the equation of the circle is given by x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square, where r again is the radius of the circle. So these are the first and the second forms. Let's proceed to the next two forms. Now the next or the third form is called the diameter form. Now suppose we know the ends of the diameter, the coordinates of the ends of diameter. Say the first one is A with coordinates x1, y1 and B with coordinates x2, y2. So if you know the ends of the diameter, then the equation could be found out as x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So this one is called the diameter form. And the fourth form is the general form. Now the general form is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Remember, the coefficients of x square and y square must be equal to 1. Now in this case, the center is given by minus g comma minus f. So these are the coordinates of the center. And the radius could be calculated as root of g square plus f square minus e. Remember, radius cannot be negative. So these two are the next forms to find the equations of a circle. Like it, share it and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos in future. Thank you.